Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. And today I am going to show you how to draw Skeppy. So let's see. To start drawing Skeppy, I'm going to start with a line right here. And then we're going to come on over this way. And we're slanting. And over this way as well. And then we're going to come straight down and meet up with this line. Now I'm going to go over this way and over here and draw straight down, and up top here let's do a line like this and a line right here. So we've got a square box. All right, so now I'm going to do an eye right here. So it's just a little box. And same on the other side. And then I'm going to do a line right here. And come down a little bit, then over a little bit, and down, and over, and then down again. Then I'm going to come up a bit and over. Okay, so this box I'm going to color in all black, and this one too. And inside right here, except that other little square I've got in there. The other little square we're going to eventually color red. Okay, so I'm going to do a line coming down right here. It's going to pass through the eye. And same over on the other side. And it's going to go under the mouth. And we're going to connect right there. And up top, like that. And right here, we're going to go across and come up a bit, and go over and come up a bit. And on the top, we're going to go over again, and right there, and right there. And we're going to do another little funny shape right here. And one right here. And now we're going to do another box right here inside this box. And I'm going to make one of these shapes right here, and I'm going to put another one right here. Okay, now let's do an arm. So I'm going to do a line right there, and we're going to make a rectangle. So we can slant down. And over. And then we can do another box inside that shape. And I'm going to make one of these shapes right here and down here. Alright, so now we're going to do a slanted line down here. And another one right here. And a line right there. And we're going to do an inside box there as well. and put those white boxes in the top and the bottom too. Now right here, let's do the body. So I'm going to put a line right there, and I'm going to put a line right here, and do a straight line. And right here, one right here, and going across right there, and we can come on down and right here too, and then those same boxes. On the top and the bottom. So now let's do the other arm. So kind of a pointed shape right here. And a line, another pointed shape there on the inside. And this arm is kind of going behind. And we can do that inside shape and that top, those top funny little boxes, those little shapes right there on the top. And we can't see the bottom one because it's kind of behind them. All right, so legs. Do a line there. And we bring it on up. And we're going to do that inside shape. And then do those inside boxes. And right here, we're going to slant with a line and do another line right here. And do that inside shape and go up. And then those inside funny shapes. And then we can't see the top part because his arm's there. All right, so we've got one more leg to draw. And do a line down here. Right there. And make that join. And then that inside shape. And then those little white boxes. Kind of like an L shape. And then a slanted line there. And go on up. And then those inside lines. Like that. All right, so I'm going to start to color now. All right, folks, so we were finished our drawing. I know that my colors are a little bit off. I know they're not quite the right colors, but I hope that it turned out okay anyway. I didn't quite have the exact colors I needed, but I think it still works okay. But let me know in the comments below what you think. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!